Welcome to PLP. The following presentation illustrates the recommended application of the cable tie guy marker. The cable tie is located at one end of the guy marker. It comes tucked into the holes of the guy marker. These are the holes the cable tie will be placed through during installation. Set the cable tie aside. You will install the end of the guy marker with holes on the anchor side of the guy wire. Begin the application by placing the seam of the guy marker tube on the strand and apply pressure so the tube is forced completely over the strand. Bending the tube as shown helps the process. Additionally, sliding the guy marker up on the strand may reduce resistance. Slide the guy marker down into place over the dead end. Take the cable tie and slide it through the holes of the guy marker. Wrap around the guy marker and pull tight. Cut the excess material from the tie.